Ahoy mate, Bob here. Today we'll be taking a look at using a Turks Head knot as an accent piece on the base of an oyster shell candle holder. Now we're going to get our handy solo cup Turks Head gauge and size up. We want to get the band just about the size, maybe a little bit bigger than what the candle holder base is. This first band should work out nicely. Since we'll be doing a 3-lead doubled Turks head, we're going to need a total of 6 wraps just for the knot itself, and we'll add a 7th to make sure we got some extra. The line we're going to use is going to be a 2mm cotton. It's important that you use a natural type fiber because we're going to wet this towards the end. I'm going to let that fiber shrink down, get a good form fit at the base of the candle holder. So now we got that first tuck on, we want to come back and work that crossing over to the other side of the cup and then continue on with our tucks. As we continue making our additional crossovers with the 2 wrapping strands, you want to make sure that you always go under the top strand with the lower strand, and then continue crossing with the working end. Now that we've got the base knot complete, we'll go ahead and slip it off the cup, check it out, make sure it's even, and then go ahead and start doubling that initial lead. Now the knot is complete. I'm going to do a quick check, make sure everything is nice and even. And we'll go ahead and slide it over the candle holder and make sure everything lays properly. If we do have to take some slack out, just take out enough to even it up. We don't want to tighten it down. We'll let the water handle that. Okay, so we're good there, so we'll take it and turn it inside out, get ready to glue it down and trim the ends. And then we'll go ahead and turn it back right side out. Get our candle holder, slip it back over it, and get it ready to soak. Quick check, make sure everything's laying good. And then get our warm water and set her down in there. Sets for 5 minutes and you'll be ready to take it out. Looks like everything closed up nicely. Did get a good little fit on there. We'll set it aside to dry. Thanks for watching and have a great day.